Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to join this family. So guys, today we have another new video. So I'm going to do a cleaning motivation, but I'm going to clean only my sitting room. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. And also, before you go on with this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And I know you already skipped the ad. Why are you skipping the ad? Please don't skip the ad. Please go back and watch my ads, please guys, because your girl needs the money. So please don't skip the ads. And also guys, I'm looking so weird. So guys, I'm going to do a cleaning motivation. So if you are sitting down and you are lazing out, you don't want to do your house chores, can you watch this video?
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I always put music. You will see me in the video dancing because I love putting music and dancing while doing my chores. So let's do this. And also guys, I'm going to what do I say? How do I call it? Okay, I'm going to announce the winner of the ring light at the end of this video. So stay tuned. But I already did on my community. So stay tuned. Comment down below. How you clean your dispenser. Let me pull out the socket first. Okay. So here at the back, you're going to find something like this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. So this is where you take all the dirt in your dispenser. So this is how it works. So you put your water here. Some dirt also, so inajichunga inakuja kama iko sawa. Okay, you can see. Look at that. You see that, guys? This is a lot of water. So whenever you finish your water, you come here and open this. You find a lot of dirt. So since my dispenser is having some water, I won't allow a lot of water. So yeah, any kama dispenser on a maji, you don't take out this dirty water. So do this after your dispenser is already filled, or the water in the dispenser is already finished. Then open this before you put another water. You release the dirty water. Okay guys, now you know. house and it smells so good. So yeah, I only did my sitting room cleaning video. The reason why I've done my sitting room cleaning video only, it's because it will take too long. Actually right now I can see it's 25 minutes. Do you know how that video will take me to edit? Itakuwa stress, so I don't want to take a lot of time. So let me show you how the house looks like.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
And the winner for that ring light, again, it's Zena. So yeah, she did participate very well. She invited her friends to like her comment and she already won. So I'm going to arrange how we'll meet up and give her the ring light. Of course guys, I'm going to show you me giving her the ring light. So bye.